It is a massive decision that holds a lot of weight, whether or not to retry former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr. Yesterday, the judge in his case declared a mistrial when the jury came back with no verdict. While some say Patrick Lioya's family will now have to wait even longer for justice, others say it's a big win for now for the Grand Rapids Police Department and for Schurr, arguing his actions were indeed justified. Our Autumn Pitcher is joining us live in studio tonight. And Adam, you spoke to a defense attorney about next steps here.
Yes, I did. Don Cepano says right now Kent County prosecuting attorney Chris Becker is debating whether or not he should retry Christopher Schurr following a very strenuous first trial. After a split jury, Cepano says his decision is not going to be an easy one at all.
In my opinion, having done a lot of these, I think that this issue is so down the middle. Like half the people think the police officer should be able to use deadly force. Half the people think that under no circumstances an officer should be able to use deadly force. That if they did go forward with a second trial, I could certainly see another hung jury.
Stop. Put your hand.
The shooting happened over 3 years ago on the southeast side of Grand Rapids. Patrick Lioya tried to run from Schurr after he pulled him over. He then refused the officer's orders multiple times and later grabbed his taser. Schurr got on top of Lioya and shot him in the head, claiming self-defense. The officer charged with second-degree murder could face up to life in prison with the possibility of parole, but after a declared mistrial, he's a free man for now. Prosecutor Becker is weighing many complexities after speaking with the Lioya family and jurors who could not come to a unanimous decision on if Schurr was in fact guilty.
It's still my decision ultimately based on all the facts and circumstances. I talked to the family and I said, give me some time. You know, we're all digesting this at this point in time, and it's something I'm going to talk with them too. You know, because I think their feelings should play a role.
Cepano says it will be a career-defining moment. He tells me if Prosecutor Becker decides against another trial, there are a few different options left.
What could happen is the prosecutor could let it die on the vine, sort of, not recharge. He could recharge, or they could try to, negotiate a deal. Both sides try to meet in the middle or meet somewhere to make the defendant and the prosecutor satisfied. I think they could do one of those three things.
I did reach out to the Kent County Prosecutor's Office today to see if Becker is any closer to making a decision. They tell me he has the day off today. Becker has, however, said that he will make a decision by the end of this month. Live in studio, Autumn Pitcher, News Channel 3.
Autumn, thank you.